Hello, are we live? Yes, let me just turn on my camera. Mhm. Hello, guys. What is up? So, I'm back with another stream. Mhm. So, what do we have here? Uh, okay, let's go with this thing. Hmm. All right. So, if you have any questions, feel free to come on chat. I'll be working here. Okay, it is going for users LG well, right? So I need to change a table so that I can contact. So it's a different app now from the past streams that I was working. It was on back office application. Now it is the front end for users client side application. So I did some changes on that. Now I have to do some changes over here as well. So user login is the one, right? So here I have to do some change. Let me just verify it. So I have a balance. Alright, I need to first of all check for the user type as well. So few changes that I need to do Maybe I need to add one more column over here. The column set I'm getting, right? Okay, this is the column set. Has to be an agent. And column set. It should not set, it should be find. Multiple column set find. User type is agent. It's a type. I'm adding writing a query on database. I need to add few columns. Right, so just add the names as well. Let's see, what do we get? Checkout. Where do we have checkout here? Is active. Checkout is 0. Hello, hello. Oh, it will be changed now. Let's see, what do we get? Have a terminal. Agent, right? So can I find one agent? I'll say it's an operator, I guess. Yeah. Agent is agent at hotmail.com. Cool. We got this. Correct. Address is this, blah 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 blah. Okay, now I need to log in with agent. Let's see what API it's been calling, and then we can update that one too. Till now going good. VC, alrighty. Users VC. See, validate code. Let's do this part. Alright, I need a result, right? So probably I can now let's hit that again. Yeah, I guess the OTP is expired, so I'll resend it again, and we'll see if we can get something on terminal. Let me refresh it. I got the OTP. Let me post it over here. Good. Nice. Few things that I didn't get. I'm sure I need to update those as well. Okay, I got it. But I am getting this error over here. So I guess this is the, I got it very well. Now refresh is crashing somehow. User.id, this has to be changed, right? Because when I save something, there is a thing, no such thing as id, so it will be user id. So we have something like that going in, fetch recent notification. This Utopia, there is so there are notifications as well. Good. So there is not multiple column set, there should be multiple column set. Fine, first of all. Secondly, I need to check one thing. I was checking for user one. This would appear. I don't think we need it, so I'll close it. Create it for it has to be changed. I'll go here. CMS notifications, right? We just paste it over here. Let me search CMS notification. What flag can we find? I have a user ID, multiple columns, that's fine. So a user type would be there and a user ID would be there, right? A user type and user ID. So what do we have here? We have a title, message, a reference would be there. We have columns. How have I created it? All right. Column set. Created for this thing is will be visited by user ID. User. All right. Okay, the token is only saving this thing, right? Maybe I can say type over here and token notifications. I'll have this. Demo gear. प्रकाश नहीं यार, कुछ नहीं सिखा रहा हूँ फॉर नाउ। वैसे मैं रस्ट का वो करता हूँ। बाकी जो वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं वो आप देख सकते हैं। बाकी नई वीडियोस तो अभी आजकल थोड़ा बिजी चल रहा हूँ तो लेके नहीं आ रहा, शायद अभी लेके आऊँगा आज। I need to make you something. Can we make an application using AI coding agent without coding knowledge, only by using prompt? Without coding knowledge, no. Yes, you can create an application, but that application will not be a prod grade application. It will be only a simple playing tool kind of thing, like, you know, Flappy Bird, something like that. Okay, we have notifications as well. Okay, notifications will be there. Fetch products. Morning, hurry. Fetch products. Damn. Draw events, draw date. Stock products. Okay, there is issue right now. Do we have to change something over here? No sir, seems quite good. All right then, I think this is done, but one more thing that I need to do. I need to check if I'm getting the notification. I should get well around some notification about 2, 3 for this agent. Let me refresh it again. Did I saved it? I am getting an error. Oh yes, I need to like log in again because I did some changes on the jot as well, right? Let me just no cookies saved. Mm-hmm. Okay, unknown column ID. It has to be done. Unknown column ID. Mm-hmm. Refresh it is. There are two things. Okay. Then why without ORM? No. I'm using an ORM. MySQL 2. Error find user. So error find user. Update settings. Will that be, I mean, this is the thing. Users. Maybe let's see what happens now if I just refresh. Hello, hello. Let's refresh, right? So maybe I need to change the auth as well. That will work now. Now let's see if I can get some notifications if I refresh this. Notification is empty, invalid status code. Okay, the OPRS is okay though. GM. Okay, that's fine. Refresh is still having some issues. It says invalid status code. Now let's switch, refresh again. Maybe I need to log in. I don't know, maybe. I have it, right? So let me just delete it. And I like coding and I am front-end web developer. Okay, I'm new in your live bor and I do like and subscribe both, bro. Thank you. What you cooking? Nothing. मेधा दास कोड करो भाई. चल ही रहा है यार. डीबगिंग चल रही है. डीबगिंग agent@mail.com undefined why. So I'm doing this because when the server crashes, I have some changes so that node mon take place. For what you do in this code, it's a web application, Reactjs, Nodejs. I'm using MySQL as database. Let's see. What could be the issue here? Right, alright. So maybe I can see it now if I refresh. Log is not defined. What the heck? Oh. The notification I'm getting is okay. User I have user ID and user type. Right, it's 9E549394. Alright, it is working now. Few things I'm getting here is undefined is not a valid JSON. Alright, this is working now. The API is working fine. Maybe I can see some notifications. No. And why is that? Because 9394. It's not for that. I need a separate gaming agent. I want separate gaming agent. Maybe agent 1. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I think this is I'm getting this agent 1, right? Alright. Alright, I have got 3 notifications now. Let me just show you if you can see it. Right, so this is done. Now there is some issue in mismatch on the front end. User first name. Oh my god. User first name. Just check this thing. Let me run it over here on the SQL. That is good. Let's check what's the issue on the front end. Let's check the file. It says some error on account popover. Account popover. I'm getting some issue. Hello everyone. So here is the issue. I should have a line number here as well. 145. Decrypted. Let's see. Hey, yeah, I can see the notifications now. That is good. That is good. Oh. Some error on an API under the name of it should be get notifications. So let's fix that. Fetch notifications over here. If I go, this should be changed. User ID should be user ID. The notification is this. Now let's run it again. Come on. Now I'll have a GN. GN is working. Replace. It's on notification pop-up line number 40419. Let's see. A few things have been changed. Alright, few things. Title is there. Now instead of description, I would have a message would be there, right? Message created by name. Now here is the issue. We have user ID is the created by. We don't have this info. How about transaction? We have a reference ID and a reference table. If I do select a star from transactions, where now let's do this first. Let's see. Okay, it's an operator to agent. From user ID is this. We have to use a left join. What sort of notification system are you building? Is it a polling notification? No, it's not. Just wait a minute, guys. Hello. All right. All right. So here we can see that I have the created by name. Now this has to be changed because on our notification table, if I see, there is a reference ID, and when I use that reference ID with the reference type column, I have a table name, right? So I have reference ID and a reference type column, and when I run these together on the reference type, let's say a reference type of transactions and a reference ID of 12. Now if I run a select star on reference type, or maybe select some columns from a reference type table using that reference ID in a where clause, I will get the transaction for now. Okay, in that transaction I have an ID of a user who created a notification, so I might use a left join here. So that left join will join on a table from where the created by ID is, and then I can get the created by name over here. This I can do, right? Or maybe if I'm showing a notification, maybe I cannot I should not do that, just for the sake of because here I need to show a notification, and also I need to perform some action when I click on the notification item. So when I click on a notification item, I can then write a query to make a left join on the second table. So either I can do that, or I can satisfy the design now to just maybe I can remove this entirely. So this way I need to check basically how it's looking. Then only I can say something. So maybe for now let's la 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 comment this thing for now. Let me refresh it. Everything is slow, so slow. Vicky, what sort of notification system are you building? It's not a notification system. Notification is just a part of the application, so it's not a polling notification. It's a complete manual thing for now. It was earlier, right? It was earlier a notification polling system kind of thing, because I was about using maybe this sockets for that, but I just removed them. Okay. Oh, Meta, hello. So now let's see how it goes. There is some error, I think. I have a title avatar. There is an issue with avatar here. Notification pop over 277. Oh man, this has to be done. Removed as well. What did I remove then? Oh, it's the render content. Uh, what do you suggest as a first Node.js to the Node.js? Make any crude app with a database connection, and then slowly implement other features as well, like auth0, create middlewares, something like that, and then implement some payment gateways, Yeah, I mean, you can start with that. For Node.js project, I mean, you should start with the web server first. Try to implement all its things. Try to understand about course and also like that. Right. Now let's see if we have. Okay, so I'm getting something like points received. You received 200 points from your operator. That is good. I think that is good. We don't need to have created by name right now. But this step could be, we can do something over here. I mean, I could simply say you have received some points from your operator, and then I can have a name here as well, right? So if I want to do something like fetch the name, so currently you can see it's my simple API right now. It just fetches from the notifications, but here as you can see I have a reference type, reference ID kind of thing. That reference type holds any reference table, right? Hello. Nothing, just working on a React and Node.js project, nothing much. Alright, so I need to have something over here, so let's try to build that thing. Let's write a query, const SQL. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Whoa, is it changed? Man, how can I? Oh my god. How can I get it take back? What the hell? Oh my god. Guys, I'm in a shit here. What is this language, bro? What's our professor itself is telling coding will bro, but our professor itself is telling coding will be dead within 2-3 years. Your professor will die before coding will die. When it is ORM like Prisma, instead of writing raw SQL, I'm using MySQL 2. No, if I have to write like I have to use Prisma, then I have to update everything over here, so I don't want to do that. Maybe in new project I can use that. So I'll say star from maybe you know what, I did something over here, right? If I go on code model, do I have something like that? Kind of get this. I can do this kind of thing from this. I can make a left join on based on the cases I can make a left join, again make a left join on the username from where I can just get this thing. So I think, yeah, we can do that kind of thing. Where was I? Yeah, so instead of this, maybe I can just say I'll just say, right, can I do this? N dot reference type was will that work? When end of reference type is transaction, I can say then so I have the username on gaming agents, right? So I'll say ga dot f name, right? F name. Maybe I can do this. Like this. So I can say created by for that, right? I can say this dot node, like that. Now here I need to make a left join, so I'll say left join, left join on transactions, right? Do I have transactions over here? Okay, I'll have to make this thing. Why don't I save it and do over here? I'll save transactions. I need to check it first. Do we have a transactions over here, right? Right, left join on transactions, but I need a condition over here. I'll name it T, and I'll say on n dot notification dot reference type equals transactions, right? And n dot n dot reference id equals n dot reference id would be t dot id. Can we do that? T dot id, right? If I make t dot id, that is will be good. Reference id, right? And here I can make another created by, I can make another left join over here. I can say left join dollar this dot gaming agents ga on it's a reference type of transactions, right? So I'll say I'll say t dot what was that column name? Transaction. I have to select star. SQL. So it has from user ID. From user ID. Yeah, gaming agent would be from user ID. So I'll say and reference type. It would be transactions. I'll say and ga dot user id, it would be equal to t dot created from user id, right? From user id. Let me just reimage the column from user id, from underscore user underscore id. So it would be like that, and here is the where clause that I'll use. I'll say ga dot f name. Maybe comment this for now, so I don't have values to be shared. Like this. But I need to have a where on this thing as well, right? So I'll say n dot user id equals parameter, and n dot user type equals parameter. So on the values here I'll have that thing. So yeah, that is good. Now column set. Oh, instead of this thing I can simply say column set. yeah. Column set. This will do now. I just need to check it while running it. Let me check some chats. Okay, let me check the polls. 65 votes. Awesome. 20 likes. Nice. Hello. Hello, hello. So I'll just so this is I did here as well, so limit is 6, right? So we'll do that. Will that work? Will that work? Okay, so I'm fetching all, and the reference type is transaction. I can make multiple cases over here, that will be according to requirement. So from this left join on this, and then this where column set order by created ID is picture perfect. Did you teach? No, I mean I just post videos about Rust programming language. So yeah, sometime I try to show what I learned. I'll not say, I mean, I don't know, check out my videos. If you think I can teach, then I mean, okay, so maybe I can let's test out this change. It's not required though, but I did just to, so that in future I don't have to see, my system is crashing. Oh man. See how laggy it is. Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Let's see now if I hit refresh over here. Let's see if I can get notifications. So currently I don't have any notification right now which says created by username, but I hope I will get it now. Dude, what the hell is this, man? Why my system is so fucking slow? Why it is so slow? Because you are not replying you. No. Okay. Just give me a minute. I need to charge this thing. All right. Invalid column. There is an issue in our query over here. It says invalid column. Let me check the table again. Gaming agents. Okay, it says user first name. What's that? Now let's roll it again. Success case when reference type is transactions. Yes, of course. There will be Column user ID in pair clause as ambiguous. Where clause? Why is that? Nikhil, this JavaScript, Node.js, JS. Maybe this. Is like this, right? So I should work now. Let's see. Let's refresh this thing. Correct. I'm getting it now. But I didn't see the notifications. Created by null. Oh man. Null. Guys, what is the issue with this thing? Should I run it in workbench? Let's run it in workbench with some test values. Maybe there is some issue. Instead of this, I will say CMS notifications, and from here I'll just say transactions. I'll just do gaming agents here. User ID and user type I'll have to pass it. Agent. Maybe I will pass this user ID. Wait a minute. Yes, let's just do this. Let me just copy a response. Come on. Why can't I see new doc? Okay. CMS notifications. Now this will be good. Yes, I'm getting it on the... Yes, this is working. Like, this is working, but why not here? This is working. As you can see, I can fetch 3 records. That is quite good. Let me check. Created by is still null. Gaming agents. The user ID is this. Gaming agents. It's created by operator, right? It would be created by this thing. User type is a different thing now. Bro is hacking. What you making? Nothing. There is some issue. User ID. Okay, so I'm going on transactions, and when I go on transactions, I have a transaction.id as reference ID. So if I go on CMS notifications, let me just do it. So let's say these are the notifications points received, right? I have 10, 11, 12 for transactions. So if I open this, I have 10, 11, 12 ID, t.id equals reference ID, and from user ID, this is the from user ID, right? And if I go on 0, if I do on gaming agents, gaming agents, I have user ID as from user ID, and this is for the notifications. It should be shown this user first name, user last name. I'm getting this null. And a created by thing is here as well. Okay, transactions. Reference type is not transactions, but it is transaction. That is why. Maybe I can get now. I will get it now. I'm sure I will get it now. That's what I was saying. I mean, everything is working, but I'm not getting the user. So because the transaction type is quite no, still. Ooh, shiki. Gaming agents. So that's what I mean. User ID, form user ID. Gaming agents, we have user ID, right? This user ID, does this match on the from user ID of transactions? Reference type, transaction, what? Yes, correct. Select star is a bad idea. We should like fetch for specific columns only. So correct, you're saying it right. Absolutely, I agree. uh, and this is unknown database. This, where is the, okay, this. So this is a change that I did. I will run it on SQL now, like Workbench now, to check why my query is not working. Maybe I'll just move this thing. You have error in your SQL syntax. What's the error? CMS notification. Oh, that is it. And the user ID is this, right? This is the user ID that I was actually looking for. Okay, I can see it now. I can see the created by now. So I think it was the issue with this, because the reference type was this, but why didn't it initially fetched it? Maybe I'm still getting it null. I don't know. Let's refresh this again. This thing is working on like if I run this raw query, I mean removing all these things, I am able to run it. But now here, I think the only possible thing is to check if I'm getting, how I am getting like this. How this where object looks like. Maybe we can check this. Got it. I got it now. Got it. Let me just show you. You see it here, right? I can see the creator by name now. So the query is working. So need not to worry about that. I just need to now update this thing. Instead of all these things, probably I can just remove this thing entirely and get one notification dot created by right, and just yank this to get, where did I commented that thing? Created by name, this thing. Right, so I'll have to just how was it? Now let's see if I refresh this. Yes, you have received blah 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 points from your operator. This, my name is there. Okay, noise. Okay, if I click over here, I have to fix those things as well. There is some issue with the, what else is missing here? Dashboard sidebar 109. 109. No, that is fine. Can you tell me the best offline online platform for full stack DevOps? I don't know, man, but I don't know. Well, I don't know. Wow. Okay, 113. I need to figure out from where the user is coming, right? Okay, it has been passed over here, dashboard sidebar. So I'll just search for dashboard sidebar. You can see login status dot user. Here is this thing. Maybe I can check. Guys, how is the stream going? I am sure it's laggy. I'm properly user. I've got user and products. Now here is the thing. I don't want to waste precious time in watching content from here and there. You tell me best online platform for full stack. So are you doing full stack like MERN kind of thing? So you have to learn JavaScript. So for JavaScript, you can go check out Akshay Saini for that. And if you're not into tutorials, go check out JavaScript info website. Learn JavaScript first, then pick up React.js from their official documents. Start creating projects. For Node.js, go to their official like page and documentation, and start building servers. Start with servers, crude applications and all. And yeah, slowly while building you will do. So you will learn it by while building things. So you will not learn by watching content or just watching or reading from a resource. You have to build it. So if I tell you a resource, it's not going to work that way. I mean, if you want a resource from me, then go check out Akshay Saini and JavaScript info for JavaScript. And if you learn JavaScript, then start looking for some like React.js. Try creating some portfolio or websites, simple application or something like that. Okay, so I have some detail over here. Few things that I don't want here is an auth code. So we have to update our select statement, right? So let's do that. Maybe first name, last name. First name, last name, type would be good. User login would be good. Status. Hello Hemant. What will be the upcoming boom? In which stack? In AI or in AI era and full stack? Oh man. I mean, don't worry, full stack will never go obsolete. So just if you want to do full stack, do it by heart. That's it. Don't worry about any AI thing or take help from AI, but before that you need to develop some skills so that you know what AI is spitting out, right? So first of all, let's build that skill. So the boom is already there. You are living in a boom. So don't wait for the next boom. Just be updated and start working for it. Alright, let's build up these things. What else do we need? Do we need a language? language. I think that is it. First name, last name, type could be required in case we balance. Commission maybe. That's it for now. Commissions. This has to be changed to sorry. Is active. First name, last name, balance, commission. That's it, right? First name, last name, user login status, blah blah blah, and commission. All right. Refresh this thing. One thing, login status. We will check it. The first name, last name. I'm getting it now. Let's refresh this thing. Maybe close this thing as well. Tree. Dashboard sidebar. The heck is this? Which framework using front end, back end, current now? I'm not using any framework. I'm using library for front end called React, and on the back end I'm using Express.js. I guess it's a framework. Is it? I don't know. Yes, it is. Reference. Let's see, what do I get? Why the heck is this browser is so slow? My system is so slow, yaar. Shit. User first name. Balance is this. User first name. User last name. These are dialog controls. Account. Using any server-side management library? No. Hello, Shimeon bro. Hey bro, what components do you use? What do you mean by that? Like, I'm using Material UI for UI library, so I have all those components here. Let me just commit this code. Oh. All right, push the code. Let's see, what do we have here? I can see this thing. In the server you just write pure SQL. Yes, parameterized queries. Yeah, like joins and all, like this. I use Drizzle ORM for this. This is like query builder but with ORM capability. Noise. Okay, that is good. That is good. Managers, dashboard, sidebar. Unexpected end of JSON. What does that mean? This is how serverless is built. Never build anything serverless. Alright, now this is ooh, what the hell? Oh, ho. I messed it. I need to. Oh man, I just take a pull and it was from the prod, I guess. Let me just give me a minute. I need to check something. I cannot show you this. Sorry for that. Here we are. AB connection. Maybe not here. Maybe on the constants. Kill. Yep. Maybe it will be okay now. Hello, hello, Kunal. Yes, we have just get into the first phase. Fetching the notification, updating the user according to the new schema, updated APIs, and the front end. Now, the next step of execution is providing a feature to client where he will upload something, wait for the approval, and the point he spends will get tracked in order to, if we need some kind of audit, we can do that. That is good. Nothing you can do, right? Oh, points received. No, that is bad. That is bad here. Points received should close. Let's fix this thing. Let's look quite enchanting. Receptors here. Accept recharge. Something like that. Maybe we can, I don't know. I didn't use TypeScript. I need to go back in time then. Maybe I need to go back, like, go back 2-3 years. That I want to ask myself, why? On the new projects I did. So, yeah. Let's go on the notification. I want to ask something. Better all the projects sometimes to use paddings. What do you think about that? Thanks, bro. Paddings? What does that mean? What do you mean by padding? Is it something about styling? Ah, okay. I don't know about that. Not very big fan of styling things. That's why I'm using Movie Library. I should have used Tailwind or plain CSS. I bet I could answer that if I do so. But yeah, whatever you feels good, whatever satisfies the design, do that. Let's go on notification. Notification item. So this dialog, it would be, I need to check the open condition. Where is that condition? It says notification dialog, right? So I need to check where is this set notification is written. It's written inside list item. So maybe I can say if notification dot type, is it? I need to check it. If it's not equals fund received, then only you do so. Let me check what notification column has versus this. It's a notification type. Not fund basically, it's funds received. So maybe I could create a constant file that has this thing, so I could fetch it from there, but let's see now. It should solve the purpose. Correct. I guess we have an outstanding audience here, so hopefully you guys can help each other out in case. Okay, this solves a purpose for now. Let me check this out as well. Oh man, did I? That's why I do a to do over here, because I forgot sometimes while pushing the code onto. I need to make sure I remove this thing, so let me just close this thing. Okay, so code has been pushed. Updated notification items to be opened only on specific events. Git push. Okay, I think it is done for now. Maybe we can let me think, where should I provide the feature to upload? Maybe not here. I can see a balance here, but not here. Maybe over here on configurations, general.js 413. At general, what the heck is this? Okay, it's going on user accounts, so oh, 413. JavaScript Toruk. Good. I can see the configuration now. So maybe I can provide a tab here that says something like upload. JavaScript Toruk JavaScript it is. Transaction API client, something is messing up. So if I go on generals, it is sorry, yeah, sort of. It is used to write web applications, basically, like front end and back end. And I won't go on transaction right now, so hello. Is it easier to learn? I mean, it depends. Hello everyone, hello. Maybe I can provide a tab over here that says kind of upload, and over there I need to show the commission value, and then user can just upload it. So I need a design for that. So I guess, yeah, that is it. Maybe let me add a tab, another tab. What's that URL? It says user/accounts. I go inside. Account is here, right? Let's go inside it. Configuration. I have tabs. Maybe I can have something like I'm really sorry guys, I'm just yawning. We can have a value here. Maybe index, and here I can have a screen of upload receipt that I need to create. I'll pass user and T. So I'm using React i18 for local settings. Upload receipts. What the heck? Yes, you see how slow is my system right now. I just need to check one thing though. User over here. Maybe I can just return typo. Hey there, fellas. Let's do an H3. Let's do it primary. Now let's see if this works. Oh man. Contain an error. I'm a data scientist, you know, matplotlib. No. Which language are you using? JS. All right, we are here now. Now let's see if this thing works. Bro, can you found an error? Probably I have to define tabs here as well. So where is it defined? It is inside the change password, right? I won't be doing this. I'll simply say receipts. Maybe I can get some receipt icons. Yep. I can see it now. Hey there fellas, I can see it now. Hey there fellas. So okay, so here we'll implement our this component. Maybe I need to figure out a design. Alright, let's go from the bro, you can found a error, I think so. I don't know if you're asking or telling. There is a question mark at the end, so probably you are asking, but I don't know what you're asking. Are you use stock market? Tell me you use stock market. Please invest in, because as a data scientist the stock will grow. I guess you are a data scientist. How many years experience are you? I'm 2 years experience. Good. That's why you are saying invest in stock market, because the stock will grow. I don't know if you are not able to type it or if I'm getting you wrong, but can you please tell me which stock will grow as a data scientist? What findings do you have? What is the pattern do you find about any particular stock? Guys, I think you should work hard too, because as a developer you will grow. Need some water? No water is here. Empty cans and bottles. Give me a minute, guys. Let me grab some water. So I think it was a nice session. Not a session, like the session I was working on. So I think it was good. We updated quite things. We are on a track. completed phase 1. Now phase 2, it would be kind of front end heavy for now, because I think on the back end I already have written the APIs previously. I'll just have to do some tweaks, but it would be front end heavy now, phase 2. So I'll have to think about a design, you know. So let's do that maybe. If you able to see it, I try to do something with like this thing already. Let's do that. We need to have something. So this could be our area. Maybe this, we can have something like this that says upload receipt. Maybe down there we can have a price breakup kind of thing. Here I can just do a price breakup. Maybe commissions. This is only thing that I can think of. Maybe there in area, some info, a price breakup, commission. What else do we need? Then a user will kind of upload this thing, then it will go to the operator for verification kind of thing. I'll make a website in past. Are you work or are you job? Bro, you can use Replit. It can teach new things, and PyDroid 3 also, it helps a lot. Sure, I'll do that. Okay. So this, what else do we have here? We need to show a commission value. A receipt, of course. Maybe a field about amount transferred. Maybe we can show points invested, right? And some obviously regular info about the agent, right? We could do this. So all these things we have to do. So yeah, if if I go inside. Probably here. I need a container inside that thing. I'll do. All right. Bro, can you explain me a thing, please? Yes, go ahead. If you're asking about data analytics, data scientist, you're on a wrong platform. Maybe you should find another one, but go ahead. Go ahead. But before that, let me show you a magic trick. So this one is for Dharampal. I mean, are you ready, Dharampal? Let me show you this. Let me show you this. See, Dharampal. Come on. No reactions. Let me just check it again. Yes, reactions are there. Chandra Vanu Mishra. NVM. Yes, it's NVM. Oh, it's Astro NVM. Why this is not working? Yes, it is working. Astro NVM. Come on. It's a bit laggy, but I'm using all my threads of system. Maybe now I can see some faults. Yes, maybe I can see. Uh, you on Ionix? Nope. Uh, I am seeing you. Are you working in a project I can help? What the fuck is going on? What kind of emoji is this? Delete it. Bro, your name is Dharampal, but you are being too pooky. Pooky Dharampal. Okay, so guys, I think it's time to leave. We are already working for 3 hours here. I'll see you next time. Maybe today or tomorrow we'll have a session on Rust. Next episode on Rust. So I'll see you there. Before coming live, I'll put your notification, and if you miss that thing, I will also be uploading that video. Alright, bye bye guys, thank you for being on stream. Bye, closing the stream now.